There's one more record type I want to talk about, which is a wildcard record. A wildcard record will return a certain IP address for any name under a certain domain name. So for example, I have a domain, localdev.us. If you query localdev.us, you'll get the IP address for the website. If you do www.localdev.us, you'll also get the IP address for the website. Any other query under the localdev.us namespace will return localhost. So for example, client name.localdev.us will return 127.0.0.1 or the local account. This allows developers to set up their local IIS configuration using host names to grab certain namespaces without having to set up DNS records. So you could have client1.localdev.us, client2.localdev.us, and by using those names, it goes to the appropriate IIS site without having to configure DNS. Another place where wildcard records come into play is certain ISPs will capture any failed DNS query and return the IP address for their own site. This way, if you were to mistype a name into your web browser, it will redirect you. You'll end up getting directed via DNS to their web server that will usually show some type of ads, and it's a revenue generating system for them. It can be quite annoying, and there's really no great way around it other than using your own DNS servers, but something to be aware of, and they're doing that via the wildcard record type.